Hello from Western New York. And as you can see by the ground and the mud puddles, and even seeing by the edge of my trailer, just got splattered by a little bit that hit the light fixture. We had some rain just now. It's got a nice smell, you know. I mean, now this is going to be a fairly short video because, for one, I got supper in the microwave, and we just had a nice rain. I mean, it's just, you got the birds chirping. You know, they're saying that the rain is done. Like I said, we got some mud puddles. I mean, it's kind of nice. I mean, I'd have to cut this back because, you know, well. This is something the plants are going to welcome. I mean, I'll be honest, I don't normally water my plants unless they really need it. And I think I'm going to need to start training some of my grapes up a bit, you know. I don't normally water them. I mean, this red Hinnomaki's doing pretty good. Wish this one was doing better, but that was some thunder right there. You know, it's pretty much ending. You know, still got some sprinkles. You know, that might grow. I don't know. Might just be a leaf. Might have to wait till another shoot pops up for that. I mean, most everything's doing pretty good. I mean, these gooseberry bushes are doing pretty good. And, well, since I got two right here in this, you know, that'll be nice. I'd end up trying one in the next couple of weeks, I hope to do so. I mean, like I said, I did try one from over here, but it was not a good one. I mean, I didn't really get any taste. I mean, maybe it was a little sour, but you know, I mean, I don't know, I'll be honest, I am kind of tempted to, you know, grab one of these things and try it. But, you know, I mean, you don't want to try something before it is ready. Well, I will say that it's just nice, you know. Roses here are coming along, just fine. And I got a bit of a pink one here, and I got what looks to be a red one coming. I try to get different colors, you know. Makes things more beautiful. And of course you got your robins out and about. They're going for the worms at the moment. I mean, any worm that's underneath the ground, it's realizing, oh, my tunnels are flooding, but the surface only right now. Ah! No! Don't eat me, Mr. Bird! Oh. You know, I mean, it's just, you know, the roses over here come along nicely. Yeah, luckily my plants are more or less on a bit of a, quote, high ridge, you know. The water kind of sinks down into the middle. like I said, this is going to be a fairly short video because I got supper in the microwave, and you know that does, and I need to. It's a a TV dinner thing, you know. Plants are coming along nicely. I mean, like I said, this is just a stick, and it's got well, at least one good cane popping up. You know. Grapes are doing fine. Mom's day lilies are doing fine. Same thing with the lupines. Got a sumac in here I'm going to have to yank. That rose is doing fine. These roses are doing good. Whatever these are doing fine too. I think they're at that point where they're going to soon start going to seed. Primroses seem to be doing okay. Let's take a quick look at Mom's forget-me-not. I think that too is doing okay. Yep. And I think it's kind of getting to that stage where it's about to die. A lot of your flowers are at that stage, you know. Because a lot of them have, they've reached that point where, it's time. Time to move on to the next stage. Well, let's see here. Raspberries look like they're doing okay. The wild ones in the back. These black ones here. Strawberries plants, well, they're doing okay. One looks like it's sending out a runner, even. Black raspberries look like they're doing okay. Wonder if the rain's still working, like I said, black raspberries are doing good. These are coming along pretty good. Blackberries are producing their lateral shoots. I wish the elderberries had made it, but I think I'm gonna need to cut them, and hope that the rootstock is doing better, Yeah, black raspberries over here doing good. Same with the yellows. The reds here are doing okay. Like I said, I got Polono and Heritage right in here. And I got this shortcake. I'm gonna need to do some weeding. And while we're back here, let's take a look at this choke cherry. Get to the older. Well, these are coming along. Nothing else. It'll keep the birds busy. Yeah, I think I'm gonna cut back my elderberries. Mainly because I don't think they Well, the leaves don't look like they're coming back. I don't see any new. I don't see anything new coming. Well, everything else looks good, and I'm probably gonna have to mow the lawn. Well, like I said, I got supper in the microwave. You know, I need to make sure it's all separated. Well, basically, I got some Salisbury steak patties being cooked up, and you know, I need to separate them from each other. You know, and I have a microwave for another 7 minutes, and then after that, have a few of them. You know, along with some bread. Well, this is Western New York. Subscribe if you like this. Post comments. Hit the like button. All that other good stuff. Okay? Goodbye.